In a tragic incident, 55-year-old Harichan Togbi, resident of Togbi village, Rongplimplam, lost his life after falling from a hazardous bridge at Rongplimplam. He encountered this unfortunate incident when he was on his way to take medicines for his ailing elder daughter. It was informed that Togbi village is estimated to be a double-century-age-old village. Yet, no proper bridge connectivity has been arranged for the villagers to pass through. The bridge at Dilai River is a lifeline to several villages like Sarpotiso village, Kanya Rongpar village and Koila Langso areas. Despite it is the only bridge connecting several villages, the villagers are surprised as to why the completion of the bridge has not done yet. The villagers accuse the government for this tragic incident. When asked to the wife of the deceased, she said, "On 25 June, early evening, my husband went out to get medicines for our ailing elder daughter. Like every other day, we were expecting to see him returning home, but unfortunately, what we saw now was the only mortal remains of my husband."
Amanke la so puso de lo de wai ke nam dam lo amanke ke ne litum ke de wai ke nam dam puman kaya poroso nang ni jibon pulo mana chong hong lok lo aman la pusi de la si ke dam ne man te pusi ke dam ne ma chini dun de lo thum dun thek the de lo
kono porban no alang hempen hempar ka
ko ana porpen ne sari bachi ne sari dam ju bitanga chhan ti ne juma thek lo rita nilike rita dam ju ma thek dun de lo ada pen kidan ma ho ajo nilike an sam an bang pin tu ya jo an lo ding ko lo
inwer bo hempen hempar ka
inwer se ko de lo ni bita.
The residents of Togbi village expressed their grievances and the unfounded promises given by the government prior to elections. They informed that many parties assured the villagers for the completion of the bridge but ignores after voting them to power. It has been continuing since the Congress-led government. They appealed the present government to look into this matter and solve their problem before MP election, else way they threaten to no longer participate in democratic election.
Masih bang long le, non ben patini dang lo, ini tungkai lah ke wangi lang ke non MP nang le po, so prang yo sini le tung la, so war sa dolong, la sunil tung rat kisung war sa nang pipe pada nili tungkai MP election ke take. Acha dak dona yang song tondo dak ni tong camping wang le.
Camping masih bang
long le, dak. Ni tu. Next election lo ni tong kang chief kenang sok deh kelang lo ni tong.
Dela non BJP sarkar nge develop olo pusi ka chipu matela sinang litum labang so develop bang kosolo nang litum pipu nang litum.
Labang so bang ke BJP tong talang litum ta hak mone ke dantang sarkar orang litum jitu ke pangkre ke kali tahai tiun ek pacetang tong rek thelasom sidukok tahai sinong ke wangi lang sarkar bang ke lang litum nang tiwek nang ko pusi lang litum ham joakha lo ba tuniri polo ni litum kadok awe rat hin pe.
The mortal remains of the deceased was taken by the police department for post-mortem. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live.